Hey, what's up, folks? Mike. So we're getting ready to do a quick wash here. Wash my hair real quick. I got a little bit left. So I'm starting out here with some warm water. Usually I like to go warm, lukewarm, but I feel like I'm being a little dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and get in there. Just apply a little bit of water. Nothing crazy. Just like normal. You know how this goes, right? You know how to wash your hair. A little bit of soap. Another little brand soap, of course. Boom, straight like that. We just work that lather in. A little more water. Nice. Doesn't lather as much. That's how I cut my hair down. It's not working its way through as much. Well, no, it's working its way through, but it's just not as much hair to go through. But it's cool. A little more. Crap, you getting soap on. Alright, a little bit more. Dang it, I'm almost out. That's all I got. Summed it. Can't forget the sides. There we go. Getting that in there. I don't know if you all can see it, but it's nice and soapy. Just like that. Yeah, there you go. You just rinse it out. Easiest part. So it's weird since my hair is shorter. I feel like it's not like, I'm not really getting a thorough wash with it. Used to have an entire head full of soap, so this little patch right here feels different. Alright, so now I've done that. I'm going to finish off with some Amelia. Alright, into my face. Quick scrub with the face and behind the ears. Nothing crazy, just a little bit. Just working there. Yeah, no one asks, so that's how I wash my hair and scrub my face. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comment below, and I'll get back to you. Let me finish the shower because it smells like kind of rank down there.